5 years ago when we planted the bamboo, I had no idea of how tall it would grow or how much it would drop its leaves in the dry season. We were given about 100 bamboo plants by a local grower who needed them planted. He said that they were ready to go in the ground, and if we would like them, he would deliver them to us, and that's what he did. I had no idea what type of bamboo it is. I'm still not quite sure what type of bamboo it is, but I know that after 5 years of growth, some of the culms are over 20 metres tall, and they're providing us at this time of the year in the dry season with a huge amount of leaf matter that's going to be brilliant for composting. We planted the bamboo plants either side of the driveway, and so this is where the leaves fall. And even though I don't mind the look of them on the driveway, I'll need to rake them up so that it clears the drains, so when it does start to rain heavily, the water's got somewhere to go, we can channel it and make use of it, and so that we can make use of the leaves in compost. I've just been building a new compost bin to accommodate it. I've used some of the bamboo poles that I've soaked and preserved as the uprights, and now I'll just fill this up with leaves and layer it with chicken manure. I've also got some old compost that it's just been filling up in a small bin there, and I'll be layering that and adding that to hopefully give the compost a good kickstart as well. Then with the excess of leaves that won't fit in the compost bin, I'm just spreading them out onto the ground at the back of our section here. This is a piece of land that had a pond on it originally, which then we graded the land and filled the pond in. So the soil there is about the worst on our property. It has virtually no organic matter in it, so I'm looking to build this up. I've roughly mapped out some areas that I want to plant, and I'm just going to cover this area with anything compostable. So the bamboo leaves are going straight on there, and I'll just keep adding to it with rice straw and other leaves and other organic matter from around our garden. It's the middle of March, and so this is typically about the middle of our dry season in northern Thailand. But we've started to get some rain recently, so I'm keen to get the leaves up off the ground and into the compost bin and down the back. And I'll also start cutting the bamboo culms that are about 5 years old, because it's the right time of the year to do this. At the end of the dry season, the bamboo's dropping its leaves because its store of water and sugars in the rhizome is being depleted. The rhizome's a big ball underneath the bamboo that retains the food and the water the bamboo needs to sustain itself during the dry season. And once this is depleted, the leaves will start to fall, and it's the right time to cut the bamboo, because at this time of the year, there's less water and less sugars left inside the bamboo culm, and this is what attracts the insects once the bamboo's cut. They'll come for the sugars, they'll come for the moisture. But once this is depleted, the bamboo becomes a lot less attractive to the bugs. And so once I treat it, it should give it a good long life for me to be able to make further use of it in my garden or to build stuff with. If you're interested to learn more about how to preserve your bamboo, check out the videos, the links in the description. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. If you did, give us a thumbs up, check that like button, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please do so and check out the new videos as we release them. Thanks for watching.